Hey everyone, it's your health buddy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a food that's probably already a staple in your kitchen, the onion. Ever wondered why onions are such a staple in almost every cuisine around the world? It's not just their flavor that makes them so popular, so if you're ready to unlock the power of this humble vegetable, stick around because we're about to dive into the world of onions and discover why they're a must-have in your diet. Let's start with one of the most important organs in your body, your heart. Onions can play a delicious role in heart health by helping to lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. Onions contain compounds that may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, promoting healthier blood flow and a happier heart. Onions are also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. By incorporating onions into your diet, you may help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your cardiovascular system. Now, let's move on to another crucial aspect of your well-being, your digestive health. Onions are a good source of fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. Fiber is incredibly important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Some studies suggest that onions may also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, also known as probiotics. These friendly bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. The anti-inflammatory compounds in onions may help calm inflammation in the digestive tract, potentially providing relief from symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Let's talk about a topic that's close to many of our hearts: cancer prevention. Onions are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Onions are particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called flavonoids, including a powerful flavonoid called quercetin. Quercetin has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. It's important to note that while the research on onions and cancer prevention is promising, more studies are needed to definitively establish the link. We all know that calcium is essential for strong bones, but did you know that onions can play a supporting role in bone health too? Onions are a source of calcium, a mineral that's crucial for building and maintaining bone density. In addition to calcium, onions also provide magnesium, another mineral that's essential for bone health. Magnesium works in conjunction with calcium to support bone density and strength. The antioxidants present in onions may also contribute to bone health by protecting your bones from oxidative damage. For my friends who are watching their blood sugar levels, whether you have diabetes or are simply aiming to maintain healthy levels, you'll be interested to know that onions might be a helpful addition to your diet. Some studies suggest that onions may have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels by helping your cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Onions may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to utilize glucose more effectively and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Another way that onions may contribute to blood sugar control is through their fiber content. Remember, managing blood sugar levels effectively often involves a multifaceted approach, including diet, exercise, and potentially medication as advised by your doctor. So there you have it, the humble onion, a true superfood hiding in plain sight. From promoting heart and digestive health to potentially aiding in cancer prevention and blood sugar control, onions offer an array of impressive health benefits. It's important to note that while onions can be a helpful addition to a healthy diet, they should not be considered a substitute for any medical advice or treatment. So next time you're chopping onions, remember all the amazing health benefits they offer. Incorporate them into your diet in various ways, from salads to soups to stir-fries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.